Hello? Oh, hi, Mom. Really? Okay. 20 minutes? Thanks. So, guys, right now, as you can see, I am at the pet store. And so, yeah. In a few minutes, my mom is gonna come. But for now, I guess I'll just go look at some pets. That's the one! I found the right one. She's finally here. Oh, really? I thought you wanted a cat or a dog. Nope. Meet my pet bird, Princess. I'm going to show her to my friends. No one's around. Let's have a chat. I remember seeing this funny movie where they were like, ew, that's disgusting. Hey, there's Let Go and No. Let's say hi. 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 Look, I got this snowbird. Your clothes. I just want to say this. No, I meant to say, well, if you feel that way, then go away. No.